This is the Active Mount, a compact mounting tool designed to give creators more freedom in how and where they shoot. Instead of being limited to a single setup, the Active Mount allows you to securely place your iPhone on a wide variety of metal surfaces, opening up new angles for filming indoors, outdoors, all while being pocketable for on-the-go content. It is built for creators who want flexible placement without sacrificing stability. Now let's get started. Mounting the Active Mount. The Active Mount attaches directly to metal surfaces such as gym equipment, kitchen hoods, car panels, railings, and outdoor structures. And here's how to mount it. You'll place the Active Mount onto a clean metal surface, adjust the angle to frame your shot, and confirm that the mount is secure before filming. Once attached, the full aluminum construction keeps your setup rigid and stable while you shoot. Using the cold shoe. On the top of the Active Mount, there is a built-in cold shoe. You can use this to attach microphones, small lights, or a hybrid mount if you are using SSDs for longer shoots. This allows you to capture cleaner audio and lighting while keeping your setup compact and controlled. Using the quarter 20 mount. Along with the back of the mount, there is another standard quarter 20 thread at the bottom. This lets you mount the Active Mount on a tripod by simply removing the magnet from the back and using the mount with the bottom quarter thread. It also works great with our film rig if you are using an elevated setup. Here's an example of what your setup could look like. It is designed to integrate seamlessly into your existing workflow. The SANDMARC Ecosystem. The Active Mount is built to work seamlessly with SANDMARC lenses, filters, and modular gear without interfering with alignment or balance. Whether you are capturing workouts, overhead shots, static angles, creative perspectives, or filming solo, the Active Mount gives you flexible placement while keeping your framing intentional and stable.